So first I'll see regarding the if statement. Okay. This biggest part. Wait. Both to only same. Okay. Anyways, see what I'm having here. First 10 minutes. Okay. Don't write anything there. Just see once. Okay. First half an hour, first 20 minutes. Just see. Then you can write later. Okay. You can write the code on your own. A equal to what I have taken int of input. In the input, what I wrote, enter the value of A. Is it compulsory to write this part or optional? Optional. So I've taken A equal to so and so, B equal to so and so. But now I have a shortcut. I can write the code in one time only. Means what? I can take the input at one time. How will I take? See, last class you remember we done with the range part there. Range. So now I'll take a box. This box is called as what? List. In this I'll write there what? I want the X to be what type? In type. My A and B to be what type? In type. So before Excel keep the what? Int of X. For X in input. Splitting by what? Space. Only split means what? Space. We're done with the split part. Yes or no? But now we're using what? In a program perfectly now. Okay. So now what will happen? I can enter the value of A and B at one time. Or else I can follow this first two lines. Or else I can go with the third one there. So let me print and show you once. Print. Suppose I'm printing now what? Only A. Printing what only now? A. So open terminal box. Now clear screen. Suppose if I run the code now, anything I pass in the input there? No. Option na? Not compulsory. If you want to type, you can type there. Enter the value of A and B, you can type there as you wish. Now run the code. It's what waiting for my what? Input there. Suppose I'll pass the input 3. Can I keep comma there? No. Why? Because I told there what? Split by what? Space. So 3 space suppose 6. Means what is the value of A? 3. B value? 6. Why I'm getting only 3? Because I'm printing there only A. But if I don't give space, then what happens? Suppose that now we can enter big values also. Like what? Suppose 345 space 789 or 879 something. What is the value of A now? 345 space came. Okay, split by space. Yes or no? 879 is value of what? B. But if I keep comma, will it work there? Or if I pass more values? Suppose again 23 space or 23 comma. Suppose 45. Again, if I keep space, again suppose 67 comma 89. Press enter. Working? No. Or else to make you more understand. Suppose if I pass 23 comma 45. What I told here split by what? Space. But what I'm keeping there what now? Comma will not be accepted. Okay. But if I want to separate by comma, what I'll do in double quotes or single quotes, I'll say what? Split by them what? Comma. Now clear screen. Again run the code. Now I'll say 34 comma 78. What is the value of A now? 34. Value of B? 78. I can't pass less, I can't pass more. Remember na? Ways to assign variables. If I pass more, suppose 3 comma 4 comma 5. What is the value of A? 3. B value? 4. This extra value for whom again? Okay, so what I'll get to too many values to unpack. Remember na? In our ways to assign variables part, where one variable you have taken 5 variables. If I have taken 5 variables, how many values I have to assign? 5 values. I can't pass less, I can't pass more. Let me run the code again there. Suppose if I'm passing only one value now. 2 comma. That's what? Just 2 comma. Nothing I'm passing there. Press enter there. Okay. Or else suppose if I'm passing only one value. Example what is? Just 2. Enter. What is coming there? Not enough values to unpack. Expected how many? 2. Got how many? 1. So how many variables are keeping that many values after assign? But even you know that a single variable can have multiple values. Yes or no? This was suppose I'm finding the lengthy way now. Simple, I'll take what? A single variable. Okay. Don't get confused. Now again run the code. Suppose now I can have multiple values like 3, 4, I can't keep letters there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means what? A I'll get there what in the box now. Like what I'll get there 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the box. In the box or tuple? Check once. Why box? Because I am storing in the box. But if you want, you can convert to a tuple also. See here, tuple of A I'll do. Now I won't erase the screen. Just run the code again. Suppose I'll pass there 10, or 19, 21, 24, 56, 78. Okay, enter. Type conversion, type casting. So previously by default it was what type? List type. I have converted to what type? Tuple. Clear? So let me come back to the normal position there again now. So I'll just type print A, B. Can I do A, B there? No. A single variable I kept there. So I keep the what A, B there. Now run the code. So I'll split by what? If I write like this or else if I write like this also. If I write like this, is what I'll get to space. I can say by display also, or I can just simply say split also. Both are same. So what's the answer? Suppose you'll pass 5, then 7. A value how much? 5. B value 7. So fourth line, tell me the answer. What's the answer of fourth line? 5 space 7. The value of A is 5. The value of B is what? 7. Comma will give me what? Space. So make a note of this one first of all. This is a shortcut. If you're finding this as difficult, then you can go with the first two. And I don't want to give any kind of names to confuse you. Some people they call as what is list comprehension, this technique, that technique. Okay, but I don't want to give you any kind of names and confuse you. If you want to know from your side, if you want to know what this technique is called, it is called as list comprehension. Okay, a short technique to parse the variables. Doubt is there, you ask, okay, but this is the most technique applied in the strings topic. So strings over long back, yes or no? But now are you using or not using split? So you'll be using all the things what we have studied. We'll be using what? All the things there. Done. So if you can go, if you want shortcut, we can go this way, or else you can go with what? This first two lines also, as you wish. Okay, now you can have a single variable can have what? Multiple values also. Okay. Now, what I'm saying in this case now, if A is equal to 5, suppose let me take A value from here now. I'll take from here. Paste it over there. We'll take the A value from the user there. Okay. Now means what? When will this code get executed? Only when it is what? True. Suppose if I pass the example like what is 7. What's the A value there? 7. Is 7 is same as 5 I'm saying there? No. So nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. Press enter there. Anything happen there? No. This if statement gets executed only when the condition is what? True. If the condition is false, nothing happening. Here else is what? Optional. Yes or no? Did I mention the else part there? No. Okay. Suppose it pass the values A as what there? 5. Now, is 5 same as 5? Yes. The condition gets what? Executed. What I'll get there? Yes, equal. Make a note this one first of all. Is the first part clear now? Okay. So when will the if condition get executed? Only when the condition is what? True. Or else it never gets what? Executed. Mention their point there. If I have only if statement, listen properly, then you can write in your own words. Okay. If I have only if statement, is there any else part there? No, no. So if I have only if statement, it gets executed only when the condition satisfies. If the condition does not satisfy, nothing is going to happen. Make a point this one. Okay. Again, stop. Wait for 2 minutes, then you can write again. So stop doing whatever you're doing there now. Now, what I have taken a 10th line there, at one time I'm taking the value of what? A and B. And splitting by them space or comma or something. Splitting by what? Space. Now, suppose the value of A. What I wrote there, A greater than what? B. Suppose I pass the A value as what? Suppose 3. And B value suppose 5. What I'm saying 3 greater than 5. Is it true? No. So now it will go to what? Else part. Remember this topic? F strings means what? Full form? Fast strings. What is the value of A there? 3. 3 greater than, what is the value of B? 5. 3 greater than 5 is true or false? So let me run the code and show you once. Suppose we'll pass the A value as what? 3 and B value is what now? 5. The value is A is 3, B value what? 5. 3 greater than 5 I'm checking there. No. Now it will go to the else block. In else block, what I am having first is 3 greater than 5. What is the value of A? 3. 3 greater than 5 is. Now what I'll get? I'm checking the condition. It's what? False. Suppose again I'm running the code. Suppose I'll pass A value is what? Suppose 4 and B value suppose 1. 4 greater than 1. Yes. So what will come there? 4 greater than 1 is true. What the logic? But previously what happened? If my condition satisfied, printed. Not satisfied, nothing happened. But now what happening? If the first condition fails, I'm going to what? Else block. So what is the logic behind here? If I have one condition there, which is giving me what? If I have two conditions, either I should get the output as yes or no or true or false. Then in that condition, what I'll be using if else part. But suppose if my target is like I want to so and so, that's it. No excuses. Then I'll be using what? If statement only. If else when I use when I have more than two conditions, when I expect more than one output. Okay. Either yes or no. In that case, what I'll be using? If else. Probability of tossing a coin. If you toss a coin, what is the chance to getting there? Heads or tails? Or both? No, no. Or by anyone, both. No chance. Okay. The coin should have both head and tails. Okay. Again, don't say sir, both the side tails again. Okay. Not your coin, government financing. So same thing here also. If else means what? If first statement true, only statement executed. If false, go to what? Else block. But in the case of if statement, if false, suppose condition is false, anything is going to happen there? No. But something condition satisfied, then only what? Printed. Clear na? Pakka? If first two are clear, then I can go to the next one. Make a copy of this one. Copied. So stop doing what you're doing now again for 2 minutes. And it's very, very important. Okay, very, very important topic. Now you can see I have here multiple if statements. Multiple if statements. Do you have anything else here? Part else is there here? No. What I'm doing A and B, I am taking from the user. From the user. So once again, tell me what happens in the if statement. When will the if statement gets executed? When the condition satisfies. If condition not satisfies, then what happens? If condition not satisfies, what happens there? Nothing is going to happen there. So now suppose we'll open the paint box to write our comments. Okay. Are you able to see? Suppose a value 3 or some other value. Suppose a value what? 2 and b value suppose will take as what? 1 or whatever you wish. Okay, as you wish. Now first statement 2 greater than 1. True. So 17th line got what now? Executed. Which line number? Line number what now? 17. What about this one? Next one there. 2 less than 1. False. So will 18th line get executed there? No. Next one. 2 less than or equal to 1. No. Next. 2 greater than or equal to 1. It is what? Satisfied. So which line get executed now? Line number what now? 20. Next. 2 not equal to 1. Yes, 2 is not equal to 1. Satisfied. So what line gets printed now? 21. Next. 2 is same as 1. False. So which lines get executed now if you pass a value 2 and b value 1? 17, 20 and 21. Let us see there now. So run this code. So I'll pass a value 3 and b value what? 1. 2, 1. Huh? Okay. Enter. So which lines get executed now? 17th, then 20th and 21. So means what happened there? Whatever condition satisfied got executed. What didn't get satisfied? Anything happened to them? Nothing happened. So can you tell me now, suppose if I pass a value 4 and b value 4, what is the answer now? Which lines get executed now? Starting on what's now? How 22 then again happen? Line by line. 19, 20, 22. Fine. So if I have multiple statements, if I have what? Multiple if statements, it gets executed, what condition gets satisfies. What condition not getting satisfied? Ignore them. Okay. You can make a copy now. Clear or doubt is there? In between class, you get phones now, I get disturbed. Next part we'll see now. Now again stop writing. Last part it is. Okay. So stop writing. Last part, very important. So once again, you have to recall everything what we have studied in this part. Okay. So only if statement is there. What happened in the case of only if statement? It gets executed only when the code is what? True. Or condition satisfies. If not satisfied, nothing happened. In the case of if else, what happened? If the if condition fails, it is going to what? Else block. In the case of multiple if statements, what happened? Whatever the condition satisfied, those got what? Executed. The remaining conditions what got ignored. Now, in the case of elif, in the case of what? Elif, where my condition gets satisfies, I'll stop there. It won't execute more than one statement. Where my condition got satisfied, there it will stop. Will not print other statements. Not like multiple if statements. Let me make you understand. Suppose we'll take the a value and b value. Suppose a value 3 and b value also 3 now. So first thing, 25 line, 3 greater than 3. No. Next, 3 less than 3. No. 27 line, 3 less than or equal to 3. Yes. So my code gets stopped at 27th line only there. That's it. Will not go below statements. So run the code. So what I got there, a is less than or equal to b. Suppose if I take other line, suppose if I take a value 5 and b value suppose 8. What is the first statement there? 5 greater than 8. No. Next one, 5 greater than 5 less than 8. So what line you get stopped there? 26th line. So is there any chance of getting all these lines executed there? No. So in the case of elif, where my condition gets satisfies, my code gets stopped there only. Only that particular line, my code gets what? Printed. The remaining things line will not get what? Executed or printed. Clear? So last time there, I'll take a value and b value. Suppose a value 10 and b value suppose 20. Where my code gets stopped? Line number what? 25 only. 25, 20, 26, 26. Okay. So I can copy the code now. Doubt is there? In the if else, multiple if statements, last what now? Elif. Totally have what? 4 topics. So seeing wise will be what? Very lengthy. Yes or no? And are you going to type this on same thing there? No. Use what? Shortcut key. Alt shift down arrow key. Here if I write and show, time will over again. One day, one topic also not over. Starting batch took 2-3 months of time. You can make it fast. I want to do revision part also now itself because I don't have trust on you. Done? Okay. Let me, yeah, part 1. So suppose I'll take the A value as what now? You tell me the answers. Nothing I'm going to explain now. So suppose I'll take A value as 2 and B value as also suppose 2. What's the answer now? What's the answer? Nothing. Why? Because condition not satisfied there. So nothing is going to happen now. Okay, dear skin. Suppose I'll take A value, suppose 4 and B value was 7. A value 4, next line, B value what? 7. This first lines you can change now, yes or no? Because now you know the shortcut there, how to take the shortcut. Okay, what's the answer now? Will come or not come? What will come there? 4 less than 7 is true. Yes. Okay. And this you can write after going. Okay, let me just complete my part there. Now, how many statements I have there? Multiple statements, yes or no? Multiple print statements. Suppose if I write there A value 3 and B value suppose 4. Will all this print statement gets executed there? Yes. What will come there? 3 less than 4 is true. The next line, hey Python, next line, it's done. Yes. Okay. In this case, first tell me this 20th line having the link with this if statement there. Suppose if I pass A value suppose 20 and B value suppose 1. 20 less than 1. So what will be the answer when the last answer mine? What's the answer last? Anything is coming, nothing will come last. 20th line is not belongs to this if statement. Okay. Condition true or false does not matter. This 20th line does not belong to the if statement there. So it gets printed. What will come there? Try next time. Even though suppose if I pass A value suppose 6 and B value suppose 9. 6 less than 9. Yes. What will come? 6 less than 9 is true. Next, hey Python, it's done. Last, try next time. Because this 20th line does not belong to the if statement. So condition satisfies or does not satisfies. It will be getting what? Printed. Fine. Okay. So imagine the A number value, the value of A is suppose 4 and B value suppose 6. What are the lines gets executed there? 4 less than 6. Yes. 25 line. Then 27 also. Then that's it. 25 and 27. Yes. Okay. Suppose if I take A value same and B value same. Suppose 5 and 5. A value 5, B value 5. Now, which line? 27, 27, 31 and 33. So totally 3 statements. Fine. Okay. Now in this case, suppose A value 2 and B value suppose 4. What I'm checking there, 2 less than 4. What will come? What will be the answer? 2 is less than 4. Suppose again, if I run the code, suppose I'll take A value is 5 and B value suppose 3. 5 is less than 3. No, we'll go to which block now? L. So what will come there? Value of A is what? 5. 5 is greater than 3. Fine. Okay. What about this condition? First of all, is there any chance of going to else block or executing all the statements? No. Where my condition satisfies, there will my condition. Where my condition satisfies, there my code gets what? Stopped. Suppose if I pass A value suppose 6 and B value suppose 7. At what line? 40. 6. What will come there? 6 is less than 7. So one more time, last time. Suppose I will take 8 and we will also 8. Now 48, 9. 8 is less than or equal to 8. Okay. Remember yesterday we done a mod. Mod will give me as a reminder. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, finding the even or odd number. Suppose if I pass there what? Suppose 3. 3 mod 2. Remember how much? 1. Is 1 is same as 0? No. We'll go to what now? Else block. What is the value of n? What is the value of n? What is the value of n? 3. 3 is an odd number. So clear skin. Again, suppose one more time. Last, suppose you take 12. 12 mod 2. Remember how much is 0? 2 6 are 12. Remember what? 0. 0 is same as 0. Yes. What will come? 12 is an even. So this is regarding the if statement in detail. So you have only if statement you can use, or you can use if else, or multiple if statements, or you can use what? Elif. Totally how many? 4 parts. How much time it took, you know. But seeing wise, how much is lengthy there? So don't judge the code by seeing it. Okay. Everything will be easy. Only time is what? Understanding part only. So don't get fear by seeing the code. Will over or not over today. More than what you expected, within that time only you have done the code. Yes. So upcoming topics also be like this only. So don't fear by seeing the code. Okay. But don't copy and paste. You have time now. So practice once. Type with your hands. Okay. So I'll stop it till here. And Monday will start with what? Operators. Remind me once. Make a point also. Again, I'll forget, or the topic will forget. Monday will start with what? Operators. Totally have 7 types of operators. And maybe Wednesday or Thursday, we have small. Nothing I'll tell you. Just Monday before I'll tell you to bring laptops. Okay. So I'll stop till here only. Those hang doubts you can ask. Okay.